COVID-19 has affected all to the world. In this video, Team COVID Crushers share the different activity yes girls have done in response.
Hello, this is Team COVID-19 Kenya 2021. In the slides in the video are some of the activities that we've done from the first quarter to this day. And we have gone to street families. We have worked with street families. We have gone to different schools, and we have also gone to different children's home. And as you can see on the slides, we have done different activities that is reaching out to different kids and teaching them on how to clean up, especially during this COVID-19 period. And apart from that, we have also worked hand in hand with other teams, team membership, and team capacity building. Since COVID-19 is a pandemic that is affecting and is cutting across all the teams, we have worked hand in hand with them, and we believe that moving forward we are going to do better work, and with the direction of our MO and your leadership as Team Works, we are going to do better, and we are going to help people and even ourselves to work or to walk through the pandemic that is affecting the whole world.
It's COVID-19 response Zambia. And this video is showing of how far we have gone with our sensitization on our social media platforms. Mainly we have been focusing on the 5 golden rules, which are mask up correctly, maintain physical distance, avoid crowded places, seek medical attention early, wash your hands or sanitize with alcohol based, and also how to avoid becoming a spreader of COVID-19. Everyone must wear a face mask correctly and consistently, and never to forget to wash our hands frequently with soap or using an alcohol-based sanitizer.
The COVID response team in Ghana has visited communities in 4 regions of Ghana. In these regions, we have created awareness and sensitization through schools. The team has been able to reach out to about 50 schools in these communities, and we have taught these girls how to take care of themselves during this pandemic time. They have been taught how to follow the protocol and teach their loved ones to also do same.
In Burundi, we did so far sensitization on raising awareness at schools. We did quiz response on COVID-19. During some activities of BGDA, we kept on sensitizing girls and young women, and we showed them some washing techniques. We trained girls and young women on entrepreneurship and financial education, on how they can develop themselves during the pandemic.
With COVID, the above pictures are what we are now doing, going to media platforms and doing all the campaigns, and also in our social media platforms, doing awareness campaigns, and also telling people to keep safe by sanitizing and also washing hands always by creating different banners that you see up there. Thank you.
In Nepal, Yes Girl has actively organized various motivational programs regarding awareness on COVID, was mask management, mental health, challenges for being healthy, online campaign, SMS campaign, situation update report. Here are some clips of those activities.
As Team Uganda, we focused on educating and sensitizing girls in rural areas on what COVID-19 really is. We have also let them take the lead in this fight against the virus.
They did suggestion about the COVID-19 and get people to know about the coronavirus. They did need as well in every region to the radio and TV. the more training gained fortunately, the social the distance one more and positive there for me, I can hope more.
Hello, my name is Lambe Trinita and I'm a random girl guide. Before this pandemic of COVID-19, we used to have so many activities in public, like outreaches through different Agile and WAGS programs, camps and new recruitment members, and taking off ceremonies. But today, due to COVID-19 prevention measures, many activities are done virtually and we cannot meet like before. Together we can fight against this pandemic and come back as normal. What we do impacts to our society, and virtually ways of spreading and launching our activities cannot reach as far as we want. Interaction between us is important because we get to know each other and help each other too. We are humans, we are youth, and what we see worldwide that youth are facing during this pandemic is normal. We can face them too, but our interaction can help us to overcome the youth problems that we are facing. How I miss those moments. Thank you.